Hello guys, gang nigga here. Gang nigga 420 here. Today, we're gonna teach you how to cook. An idiot. I know nothing about cooking. We're gonna teach you how to cook. First, wash your fucking hands. No one's eating germs unless you're German. Get it? No. Yeah, no one do. Anyways, wash your fucking hands. And second, turn on the stove. Someone's gonna fucking kill me. Whoa. Fire. There's water. There's water in there. I don't have the money to buy a tripod, so stop complaining. Some fucking snowflake. Some kind of fucking snowflake. Huh? White boy. Like a cracker. This fucking snowflake. Please don't assassinate me, by the way. Again, next. Expertly open up this bag of noodle like an expert. Nice. Maybe if you have some can I eat that? Do I even eat vegetable today? I mean, no I don't. I think I need to eat some fruit instead, because I'll definitely need it for sure. Is fire on? Oh wait, Jesus! Fucking boiling. Let's wait. While we're at it. Oh yeah, by the way, my phone's fucking running out of electricity, so let me turn off my internet. Hold up. Yeah. Better. No, worse. I'm running out of power soon, so yeah, I bet this better be fucking quick. While we're at it, add some eggs, because I need that protein. It's, 10 pounds of protein powder every day makes everybody goes away. Because you're a weirdo. You're gonna add the egg after we finish cooking the noodles. How long is that fucking wait? Do I need a flamethrower to cook? Okay, it's popping. It's gonna pop. No. Why don't you step on the grass? No. I'm just mostly filming my leg. You see my leg? First person. Do the funny transition, but I don't know how to edit the video, so fuck it. Do I do the funny snap? Like that. Like, what? Oh, I just take like 10 million pictures. Fuck. Thanks, iPhone. Fucking bitch. Steve Jobs. Oh wait, no. Tim Cook ass nigga. Do the funny snap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this bitch be popping. This bitch be popping off. Okay. It's actually done. Wait for like, what, 10 million years? Now, the hardest part. Whoa. Just throw everything in. Not everything. The sauce. Wait. Taco. Oh, okay. That we have a oopsie. You guys probably already know how to do it, but I don't know. I just don't want to forget, so yeah, don't be afraid, just go ahead. Just do this. My English sucks balls, by the way. Still trying to speak English though. Gang. Fucking capitalist pig. Oh wait. We live in a society. I forgot when should I add the egg, by the way. Should I let the heat just... Should I turn off the heat? Should I turn off the fucking heat? Please, somebody tell me. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Should I turn off the fucking heat? Do I add the egg? I guess I turn off the heat. Oh, next. Big step, big shit. Add the fucking egg. Okay, am I filming myself? Gang, don't dox me. Once you're doing this, add the egg. I don't have to tell you how to add egg, alright? Everybody knows how to add egg, right? I don't. Okay. Like that. Oh fuck, it's not spinning. My god. See? You didn't see anything? Watch this. Big funny. Oh, the egg. Look at that fucking egg. You cannot see anything. That's normal because I can't either. I'm blind. Oh, you see the egg is forming. The egg is taking shape. Maybe. That's what my mom told me, but I failed. I didn't listen to anyone, so... I'm probably failing my mom right now. Very fucking disappointed. My mom told me to cook for myself, and I think I fucking failed. I actually think I fucking failed. Oh, wait. Look at this. We have a launch. A decent egg. Look at this. Mom, are you proud of me now? Shit, it's not enough. Look, as you can see, let me turn on the fucking light. I should have done this like, what, 10 minutes ago? Oh shit. I should have done this like 10 minutes ago, but sorry, I'm autistic. I'm not like I'm not like normal kids. I'm fucking abnormal. Fuck. Who's making that noise? I'm gonna stab that guy, hold on. Where's the light? Anyway, successful egg, as you can see. If you just keep spinning, you see? A perfect fucking egg. Glorious. Now we do, really, if you don't have, I don't have vegetable right now, so I'm not gonna add vegetable. I don't hate vegetable, by the way. Please, all your vegan niggas out there, don't fucking kill me, okay? Add this. A pack of cancer. A pack of regret. It's made out of sodium chloride, I guess, and other finely made chemical. Look at this gang shit. Alright, you guys, just give it a good old rub. Hehe, boy. Kill me. That was a horrible tutorial. Shoot me. That really is a fucking terrible tutorial. Fucking kill me. Oh, the egg. The egg fucking deformed. Oh, it doesn't. Glorious. Look at this. Glorious. First try. My mom will be proud of me, and I'll not starve to death again. Great. Now, if you have vegetable, throw in. I think I never cooked for myself before, because other people say, you suck balls, I'm gonna cook for you instead, because you're incompetent. I'm not incompetent, look at me. I'm the captain now, bitch. What are you gonna do, cry? Cry in your fucking corner while I bash you in the head with AK. Bitch. Watch this, gang shit. Did I filter all the... If you hate the water, if you hate the soup, then do like this. You know, you should, in theory, you should filter out most of the nasty water or soup. Nasty water, salt water, aka soup, by just doing that. And now you have the real sauce. Well, yeah, you're supposed to eat dry, but who cares? It's my fucking channel, bitch. What do you want? Please don't assassinate me, UMG. I know you have a lot of copyright music. Don't fucking assassinate me. If you'll fail. No, you will succeed, because I don't have a gun. I live in fucking Taiwan. Gang, shout out Chiang Kai-shek. No, he's fucking dead. He's fucking dead. No, I'm just kidding. That guy's hella dead, and everyone just hate him for no reason, because apparently he's a Nazi. Or maybe not, he's just very fond of German. Like everyone nowadays, everybody drive BMW. I don't see a problem. And yeah, I'm just talking gibberish. Just ignore me. Just ignore that part, please. Xi Jinping, if you're watching this, please don't shoot me in the head. It's all satire. Rap. It's a rap. Not Eminem. It's a rap. Allahu Akbar. First try, without any assistance from my mom and my classmate. Now no one can fucking laugh at me. Fight me, bitch. Where you from? Fucking fight me, nigga. What you gonna do? Take me back to Brazil? Oh hell no, I ain't fucking no Brazilian, nigga. I should stop saying N-word. I'm not black, by the way. Please don't assassinate me. I don't hate black people. I like black people. I listen to rap. Yeah. Oh shit. By the way, last thing before you eat this bowl of cancer is you should turn off the stove. All right, a good boy. You see, you should turn off the stove. That is not my number. Nope. Gang. And that is how you cook a noodle with the worst chef on this fucking planet. Here's the end result. You see that? Perfect egg. Not so perfect white part of the egg. Is that racist? You're not supposed. I know a lot of niggas gonna be like, Hey, you're supposed to eat these dry. What are you gonna do? Cry? Fight me. Find me in Vladivostok, the KGB hub in Vladivostok. No, Vorkuta. Yeah, that's a shitty ass video. I'm gonna go cry in the shower. Wow, bitch. I'm gonna cry in the shower now. Okay. Here comes the real fucking intro. Okay. Here we go. That was a shit. Now that is a shitty ass video. I hope you get coronavirus. Bitch. That's a shitty ass. I'm just kidding. Enjoy whatever you're doing, and stay safe. Oh, I'm running out of battery. Okay.